Like, how does someone even start to figure out that that's what's causing turmoil in their relationship or causing them to choose the wrong person? Like, how do they get down to that point?
First would be awareness. When
Yeah.
you have the best of intentions, you're alert, you have a coach, your friends are giving you feedback, you're doing everything right, and you're still getting the same pattern of cheaters or abusers or emotionally unavailable or always blaming you for things or never taking ownership of their side of the street, whatever the pattern is, and you're the only one in common, the first step would be awareness. Then the second step would be don't judge yourself when you find out, oh, I'm the one in common. And I was the one in common with all the story that I told you. So awareness, don't judge yourself, and then curiosity. If these are the results, what might be the source, the cause of that effect? And then get with a practitioner who can support you in diving deep. So many of my clients are very clever people, very successful people, and they want to figure it out. They want to understand. It doesn't do any good. Those are harder people to work with because we'll be in the body, feeling an emotion, feeling a body sensation, and they'll kind of go, well, I got to figure it out. That doesn't make any sense. I'm like, just be quiet and just get back into the body. Unfortunately, we don't have legality around MDMA in America, but it is over in Australia. And I was just there in July doing these journeys with 3 women over there. And that's another beautiful medicine that softens the mind, helps us stay in the heart more, helps us feel more. So these medicines used in very low dose, I don't want to give them a fish. I want to teach them to fish. I want to teach them how to listen. I want to teach them how to feel. I want to teach them how to stay with the emotion. And here's the big thing, which I understood on some level because I'm a dancer. Trust the body. If the mind could have brought us back to zero, we'd all be back at zero. We'd all be fine. It's actually surrendering the mind, letting go of the mind, letting go of figuring it out, even letting go of trying to get home. Just let go of control and just let the body come back. Our bodies are phenomenal. They're literally wired to bring us back from level 4 all the way to 0, all on their own, if we get out of the way. But getting out of the way means we have to feel like level 3, for example, Kris, hopeless. What's the point? What's wrong with me? Suicidal ideations. It's not pretty. Who wants to feel that? So then people disassociate again. Let's go on social media. Where's my second glass of wine? Let me just work another 10 hours, right? Because coming back into the body doesn't feel good at first. And then level 2 trauma is very intense, very short, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, but it's panic. Like you think you're going to die. Or it's rage. I think I'm going to kill somebody. Or it's self-hatred. I want to do myself in. It's not fun. But again, when you have a facilitator, I got you. Take me with you. I'm right here.